Omegaman here, and I want to let you know that character counts when you're a hero. Let's have some fun.
Hello there, I'm Chuck Chase. Let's play the Brain Game. It's a game of memory fun. Here's how you play it. There are 8 number cards facing down, and on each of these cards is a hero or villain. All you have to do is match the big card on the left with its match on the right. The cards will flip just a few times, so try and remember where you saw the match. And here we go! Let's see that again! Here is a clue! If you pick 4, you're right! Here is a clue! Come on, you can guess the number! What number is it? If you pick 2, you're right! Here is a clue! Say the number louder! I can't hear you! Louder! Come on! I can hear you if you speak it louder! If you pick 3, try again! If you pick 7, you're right! Here is a clue! Come on, you can guess the number! What number is it? If you pick 1, you're right! Here is a clue! If you pick 8, try again! If you pick 5, you're right!
A superhero always scores big with good character. A person of good character is a role model who sets a good example for everyone, someone you admire and look up to, someone who makes the world a better place, does the right thing even when no one is watching. You can be a person of good character too, by possessing the 6 important traits. We call these traits the 6 pillars of character. Superheroes increase their powers when they apply the 6 pillars of character to their life every day. Those powers are trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, citizenship.
Hi friends, I'm team member Titan from Omegaman Friends. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the 6 pillars of character traits, and that word is fairness. What is fairness?
Treating all people with honesty and respect.
Giving everyone equal opportunities to succeed, cooperating with one another.
Celebrating the uniqueness and value of everyone.
Making sure others are not treated badly.
So kids, do what Omegaman and my friends do every day. Treat people the way you want to be treated.
Tommy, stop cheating, you're not playing fair.
Haha! This is going to be good. I love when others don't treat others fairly. That's my kind of dream breaker. Oh no, it's Titan. This is not gonna end well for me.
Titan, Tommy is cheating. We are playing a game and he's not playing fair.
I want to give all of you some good advice. Don't cheat. To win the game, be fair and play by the rules. Dream makers do what is right.
You're right. I'm sorry everyone for not being a good sport. I realized by not being fair, I was jealous and not respecting my classmates, and for that I was not acting as a dream maker.
I want you to remember this. Be kind. Be fair. Be honest. Be true. And all of these things will come back to you.
Omegaman and his team, they make me so mad. They ruin everything for me.
What are ways we can show fairness at our school? 1. Treat all people equally the same. 2. Cooperate with one another. 3. Be respectful and listen to what others have to say. 4. Be willing to do what is best for everyone. 5. Play by the rules at all times. Be a good sport. 6. Include others in games and activities. Don't leave people out. 7. Stand up for someone you see being treated unfairly. You can make a difference. And remember, we always use our superhero powers fairly.
Fairness makes the world go around. Being fair is one of the most important ingredients of being a good person. It is also a key to making the world a peaceful place. There's a pledge I know, and my team and I want to teach it to you. Everyone repeat after me. I pledge to be a kid of character. I will be worthy of trust. I will be respectful and responsible, doing what I must. I will act with fairness. I will show that I care. I will be a good citizen and always do my share.
Life may not always be fair to you, but you can always be fair in life. And with that,
This is Omegaman, and have a superhero day.